You're welcome, guys. So in today's section, I'm going to be showing you guys my analysis on different assets. So I am going to be coming live like 3 times in a week, and I'll be analyzing the financial market, the crypto market, and I'll also be doing analysis on the synthetic indices. So I have multiple trades that I'm active on. So one of the trade that just smash take profit is the USD JPY. So on my live on TikTok, I did a live analysis on this particular setup. Then I anticipated for price to come all the way to this my POI here, and then I told those that were active to set their entry from around here, and then their stop loss should be at this protected low here. And price did exactly the same thing. Price got my POI, and reacted from there, and we just smashed take profit on this trade. Very sweet setup. In fact, one of my students actually passed his phase one profit account on this particular setup. You just need one good setup to cover all your losses and even pass your profit account. Just one good setup. That's why you need to trust your strategy, and you follow it in the good and bad times. So let me show you my trade on Euro USD. I'm currently active on this particular trade, and you can see I marked this out as my POI. Price did took our liquidity, tap me inside, then I'm actually active here. So this is where I'm actually targeting this buy side liquidity. And if you look closely before then, you are going to see that there's a fair value gap here. So this is going to attract price all to that level, and then I'll be looking for how to start rounding up from around here. And you can see that our price came to react from this zone here. There's a reason why price reacted from here. For those that are in my mentorship, they will understand why price reacted from here. And so I'm also active on BTC USD. Yeah, BTC USD is currently active, and I'm shorting on BTC USD. I'm targeting this sell side liquidity here, and you can see the massive selling pressure. And so why price was doing that? Price created a fair value gap. I anticipated for price to come all the way to that zone, and you can see that the pullback is a corrective movement. It does not have enough momentum. So this is also what gave me the confidence to take my trade on this particular zone, and I'm active on this particular trade. I'm currently in profit. So um for those of you that are in my free Telegram community, I do post a setup time to time, so you can use the link in this video to join, or you can send me a direct message. I'll be adding you to the group. And so trading is, when you start trading as a business, then you're gonna start seeing results. And there's one thing I want to also tell you guys to also apply to your trading arsenal is try to be patient. Whenever you see a structure in the market and it's not clear, don't force it. Just mark out your area of interest, then leave the chart, come back like next day or next couple of hours. You are going to see that price is going to become clearer. Um price is going to leave blueprints of what it's about to do. So that thing that was not clear before, because you left it, price will now show you what is actually trying to say clearly. So you don't even need to stress yourself whenever price is not clear enough. Just leave the chart, leave that chart, mark out your zone, come back to it, and you see that it's gonna be clear. So I also have eyes on, okay, I'll show you guys this one. This is USD card. I'm looking to short from around the zone. So if price come to this zone, I'm not going to just sell immediately. I'm going to wait for confirmation entry on a lower time frame before I short from this zone. So currently this is US 30, US 30. Yeah, so I didn't enter this trade. I missed this particular trade. So but I already marked out my POI there. You see price broke structure to the upside. You can see the buying pressure. The momentum is very high. So this is an indication that price is still trending upward. So what do I want to be looking in an uptrend? I want to be looking for how to long, how to buy. So price will trace back to this zone and price will react from there, and I'm targeting this zone here. So if price gets to this zone, then I'm out. So price might still push up further, because mind you, I did not just trade on this particular time frame. I had to look for I have to look at the clearer picture from the higher time frame. Then after that, I was able to get um, the overall view of what price is about to do next. So that's just basically how I trade. I look at the higher time frame for overall view, to see where price is going to, and see clearly what price is about to do. So don't just base only on lower time frame. You are going to be, if that's how you trade, you are going to get stopped out easily and so many times. So avoid doing that, avoid being liquidity. Let me see card jpy. Okay, card jpy is still going up. I was expecting card jpy to come all the way down to the zone, but it's not ready to come there, so I will not force it. I'm not going to force it, because mind you, market is always correct. So price might choose to come back there anytime, and so let me show you guys what's actually happening on DXY. From next week, DXY is going to be, USD pair is going to be very strong from next week, because you can see how you can look at my analysis here. I expected price, after price shifted structure, price came back to this zone here, and I marked up my entry, and then I put my stop loss below this protected low, and after that, you can see our price started to buy all the way up. So from next week, market open, you see price is still going to continue pushing up. So whatever you are doing from next week, always make sure that you are looking for, um, if USD is in the base currency, you should be looking for buy setups. If USD is in a quote currency of the assets that you want to trade, you should be looking for sales. So always make sure that you are using your confirmation entry, and you don't just trade randomly. You are trading with a system that you know. So if you want to also join my free Telegram community, where I post my signals daily, you can use the link in this video or in this live to join, or you can message me directly on WhatsApp on this number, +234 9135 1153 and 50. So you can message me on WhatsApp, and I'll be sending you the link to the group. It's as simple as that. And so that should be all for now. You can see what is happening on Sol USDT. This is a crypto asset. Sol USDT. I wasn't actually active on this particular one, but I already drew out my POI here yesterday. Price was around here yesterday. Was already doing the pullback yesterday. So this So now I open my chart. I discovered that when price got to this zone that I marked out, price started to react from there. So there's a reason why price reacted from this zone. For those that are in my mentorship, they will know about it. They will know why price reacted from there. And then, so this is where we're targeting this sell side liquidity, or price might choose to revert from anywhere around here because we can't control the market. So, but the goal here is to make money from the market. It doesn't matter how long you're holding your trades, just make sure that you are making money and you are consistently profitable. That's just the secret. So SIU USDT, I'm anticipating for this. I love this setup so much. I love this setup. So I want price to come to either here, this breaker block here, either here. I want price to come to either here and react from there, or I want price to come all the way down to somewhere around, but there's a massive fair value gap here. So price retrace back to somewhere around there. I'll be buying. I want to buy on this market. I'll be buying. So currently you can actually sell from here. You can sell down to your POI. You can sell down from here to your POI if you know what you're doing. So let me go back to the daily time frame so you guys can focus on the bigger picture. So this is the bigger picture. I'm tired. So guys, this should be all for today. Today's live. So you can tune in. You can turn on your notifications. So whenever I'm live every single day by 10 p.m. Nigerian time, you can be notified and be also active, so you can learn from my strategy and from my analysis. You can also ask me any message you want to ask me. I'm willing to reply every single message. And see you guys another time. We'll continue tomorrow where I'll be showing you more analysis on. I'll be analyzing the crypto assets, the forex market, and the synthesis indices. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.